Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a hot minute. I actually just recorded another video like right now, so I'm in the same outfit, same background, same hair, same everything. I'm in a good mood. I just filmed a video about like me really taking the much needed step to healing post my breakup. This is like the best I felt, and I guess like the saddest I felt, because I officially closed that chapter. Even though it was already closed, I kept just peeking back in, you know. So I filmed that video. I don't know which one's going up first, this one or that one, but it'll be around the same time. If you're going through a breakup, or if you know someone's going through a breakup, I would love for you to watch that, because I literally feel so good right now because I did a much needed step to get through that. But I had already filmed a whole bunch of videos. I just like have not had any time because my mind's been so, I guess, like boggled from the breakup and not invested in the right time and things for myself, just kind of trying to run away from everything. So I did have some like video clips, a whole bunch of them actually, of like different meals that I've been trying for like low carb options. Like I'm not perfect. It's not like 100%. Okay. It's not keto 100% or none of that. It's just me trying to eat healthier and cut carbs and cut sugar and just lean out a little bit more. I mean, I've lost a lot of weight, but I still would like to lose 10 or 15 more pounds and tone up. Really, summer's like here pretty much because I live in Palm Springs and we don't have a spring. But I'm definitely really focused on that, especially now with putting the whole like time and energy back in myself post breakup. So I have been cooking up a few things, trying new options, just, you know, for like savory dishes that are more satisfying but also low carb. And I realized in trying to edit these videos that I repeat myself a million times in these clips. Like I'm saying it beforehand, I'm saying it as I'm cooking. It's just too long and rambly. So I'm just like, I'm gonna cut a whole like talk through for them and just insert the little clips of me cooking, because I was like, why am I just putting 7 clips of the same thing? It was just running on too long and it wasn't straight to the point, just like this intro. So let's get into it. These are some low carb meals that I've been cooking and trying and loving and not loving. So the first one is the zucchini noodles. You can spiral them yourself. I did buy them at the store. Side note, if you hear something in the background, it's my dog chewing on his bone. But I got this, it came together with a marinara sauce, and it was the zucchini noodles, and I just got some meatballs. Everything is like under, I would say, I mean, the meatballs are only a few carbs, and the zucchini noodles as well, only a few carbs. Hopefully in some of these clips I have like pictures of the actual nutrition facts, or if not, I'll definitely post it in the bottom bar below. But yeah, so the first one, like I said, zucchini noodles, kind of spaghetti dish. This one was really good. This was like probably one of my favorites out of the whole thing. Tasted good. I didn't mind the zucchini noodles. Obviously it's not pasta, but it was good. And then I tried also squash noodles, like a macaroni and cheese kind of dish I tried to do. Well, it came together the same in that packaging. It was like the same brand, where it was the squash and cheese mix, and then I still had the leftover meatballs, and I kind of chopped them up almost like I was trying to go with like a hamburger helper style, and it was very disappointing. Like, no, I just don't know if it's squash in general, but the texture was horrible. It was too like salty, and I don't know if it was me adding the meatballs in there that made it even more salty, but it just wasn't light and it wasn't even good. It made me like take a couple bites and stop eating it. So no, this was a no for me. I also did, this was, I thought it was cauliflower crusted pizza, but it's actually like a chicken breast. Yeah, it was so weird. I bought it, but it was like in the style of a pizza. So it's chicken with like marinara and cheese. Then the cheese one left, and I made my own toppings. I just cut up some veggies and threw it on there. But it was really good. It didn't really taste like a pizza, more like chicken parmesan. So I found it in the grocery store in the frozen section at Albertsons, and only a few carbs. Really good. Like I said, not pizza, more like chicken parmesan, but I enjoyed it. And then we have, oh, I just made this other night. It was actually a cauliflower risotto, parmesan. I just got a chicken, like a rotisserie one from the store, because I was like short on time, and some broccoli, put it together. It tasted pretty good. I probably wouldn't do it again though. Just the risotto, like it was fine for me to eat. I ate it like in 2 servings, like a dinner, and then I like packed the leftovers for lunch. Low carbs, I don't know. I just rather have the cauliflower fried rice from Trader Joe's. I just feel like that one just tastes a lot better. The risotto thing, it was kind of just maybe too salty or too like parmesan-y. I don't know. It was okay, like I said, for the one time. Like I didn't like throw it out like the squash wannabe macaroni and cheese, but probably won't be making this again. I'm still trying new things though. Definitely give me tips and recipes. This is not something I'm gonna eat every single day, but when I do want like a savory meal and I'm trying to keep it low carb, this is, you know, fun options. Also, I love to do lettuce wraps or the like burgers with a lettuce wrap, or like, what is it, the Asian style lettuce wrap. So stuff like that is like, I know, go-to easy ones when I want something a little bit more savory. I just wanted to try some new stuff, and so far really like the chicken wannabe pizza and the zucchini noodles were the two hits. And last but not least, this isn't really like a meal, it's more of a snack, but I just recently started putting in like my strawberry or berry yogurt. I found this one that only has 2 grams of sugar. I would put like a little scoop of peanut butter. You could do almond butter, or there's like the peanut butter powder you can even put in it. I just did a scoop of peanut butter in this, and you stir it up, and it's literally like a peanut butter and jelly without the bread. Like, it has that same taste. It's really, really good, and it's a little bit more protein, obviously, with the peanut butter. So those are some things that I've been trying. Definitely leave me suggestions, and I'll definitely have some more videos coming really soon for you. I'm still trying new recipes. I'm still trying to eat healthy and just be better. White Claw, actually, for like my alcoholics out there, well, not alcoholics, but for my beverage lovers, the White Claw, it's seltzer water, like spiked seltzer water, and it only has, I think, 2 carbs and 100 calories, and those are really good. So that's what I've been doing when I do want to have a beverage at home, or, you know, get my buzz on before I go out. And yeah, that's just some stuff I've been trying. Thank you guys for checking in. These are some like lower carb options. Definitely give me suggestions below and tell me what other videos you'd like to see. I'm getting ready for festival season, so I've been ordering a whole bunch of clothes for that, and for like spring in general and summer. So I do have a Pretty Little Thing clothing haul, because that's like my primary source of clothing where I order from. But I'll definitely have that coming soon, and let me know what other videos you'd like to see. Thank you guys again for checking back in, and I will see you in my next video.